Hello everybody that might be watching this video. So just for fun, I decided to try to build Minecraft in Unity, and so I'll kind of show you what I've gotten. Here, go ahead and click play. So basically what I did is I downloaded some standard asset packages and made it so that I could walk around by using the FPS controller. And you can walk around and sprint, kind of like normal Minecraft, but the controls are just slightly different. You use shift for running instead, and there's no crouching. So I can click to chop. I cannot place because that isn't really working, although I did find a system that should do that, except that it doesn't do it very good. And it's kind of hard to use, so still figuring it out. Yeah, anyways. You can just kind of build whatever you want. You can actually jump 3 blocks high, which is really overpowered. And also you can, chop down trees. And I'm gonna live in the treehouse. Yoink! Like, look at me! I have a treehouse. Yay! And yeah. Also, if you're like mining around, you're like, oh no, I found the void. You'll land and everything will still be there and won't automatically reset it. You won't fall infinitely either. And you can also see there's, if you mine around like a ton, clicking as fast as possible to try to find stuff around here. You eventually find. There are 2 different kinds of ores that I scattered around the place, and here's one of them. There's diamond, and then there's also iron around here, and there's all in random places, and yeah, there's some iron, and there you go. And, oh no, I fell into the void, but nope, everything's still the same place. It's all fine and everything's okay. Yippee! And one funny thing that I do sometimes is I just see this, and it's like, oh, da -da 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 -da. And also, if we unmute the audio, you can hear it kind of walking around. And if I fall off, it'll play the oof sound. It'll play the old Minecraft oof sound that I nearly forgot about until I thought about some death sound effect. And I was like, hey, let's use an old Minecraft sound effect. Anyways, yeah. Also, you have insane reach. You can chop from any distance completely. And it's actually very simple how I did this. I'll just show you kind of what I've got. So basically what I did is I pre-built Don't Destroy. So I made a thing called Don't Destroy, and I basically made a bunch of stuff. I made a bunch of chunks and duplicated them around, and I made some trees. I made a reflection probe, which is not on Don't Destroy. There's directional light, there's also some sound that plays on an event system, which I haven't used yet, and there's a place blocking grid thing that I can't get working. And this Don't Destroy, and then there's also the trigger thing. What the Don't Destroy does is actually, back here there's 2 scenes. There's World 1 and World Reload. And what this has in it is nothing at all. It's, well, okay, once it loads. Nothing at all except for the Minecraft oof sound effect. When this scene is loaded, it'll play that sound effect, and it's also got the FPS controller in the right position and the trigger down here. So basically what happens is I have a Don't Destroy thing here. When the scene reloads, this will not get destroyed, but it'll just go right over to World Reload. But it'll just automatically poof, it's in there. And that's basically how it works. And it's pretty neat, actually. I also searched up grass textures and everything like that, and made some scripts. Some of these I didn't make, like grid and place block. Well, I did have to write them down. I followed a tutorial on that, but I didn't come up with myself. Then I have the rotate script, the restart script. The rotate script is, what was that for? I don't remember why I have a rotate script. There's a destroy block and then the don't destroy thing, which makes this code has it, makes it so that when it's reloaded, it won't destroy itself. Like it'll go onto the new scene. And that's pretty much it. I'll leave the download link for this project in the description. You can play with it however you want, and maybe add more ores and everything like that. And just do whatever you want. And hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want a tutorial on how to make it, or like further look into the scripting of the game and everything like that, I can make a tutorial of that. Just leave down in the comments below. Yeah, and maybe you can leave suggestions for what I should do with this world and this project next. Thanks for watching. Bye.